What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Okay, see. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. First of all, I just really want to say thank you so much for all the love and support on this channel. It means the absolute world to me. I am super thankful. I am super grateful for each and every one of you guys. But as you can tell by the title of this video and by the thumbnail, I am going to be unboxing, reviewing a wig, okay? Another wig. You guys have been feeling these wig reviews and I'm here for it and I'm here to give it to you. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So me and Beauty Forever, we decided to work together, and you guys, they sent me a wig. Here it is right here. So the company is Beauty Forever. I have purchased from Beauty Forever myself maybe about 3 or 4 years ago. If I can find a picture of the hair that I bought from them, I will put a picture on the screen. But I absolutely love the hair. I think it was some deep wave or curly hair, and I absolutely loved it. But this time they sent me something different and I'm super excited to try it out. So this is the packaging. And it says, can't really read that, but on the back it tells you how to maintain your wig, and how to measure your wigs as well. So yeah, so the packaging is, you know, basic Beauty Forever. So when you open it, this is my first time opening this with you guys. So when you open it, as you can see, you got some goodies, or we just got the wig. No, we have some goodies too. So we have the wig. They also sent a headband, which is really cute. I'm confused as to why. Oh, okay. So like that. It's really cute. And then they sent a wig cap. You guys, I went to Dollar Mania today to find some wig caps and they were completely sold out. I could not find one. So I was like, you know what? Forget it. Hopefully this wig has a wig cap. And yes. So this is the color that I wear too. So it comes with the wig caps per usual, and then the wig. So super excited to open it with you guys. So it's the Beauty Forever's Highlight Blonde TL27 fake scalp lace part. It's a 13x4, 150 density wig. This is what it looks like. This is a 16-inch. This is what it looks like. And it's the 16-inch, and yeah. Is this a freaking closure? Because I really thought this was a frontal. I just know you lying. I know you lying. I just know that. Anyway, so yeah. This is not a frontal wig. This is a closure wig. I really thought this was a frontal wig. I'm just really appalled, guys. Hold on. On here, it looks like a freaking frontal wig. So, that's really throwing me for a loop. But yeah, let's just, y'all, yeah, so I just want to let you guys know that I'm never ever going to sugarcoat anything. Never in my life going to sugarcoat anything. I don't care if it was given to me for free, if it's a sponsored video. I never do that. Even on my main channel, my sponsorships over there, like, I'm always 100% completely honest, and you guys are going to see that. Just because a company pays me or sends me free items to review and to share with you guys doesn't mean I'm going to 100% back them up just because they're paying me to do so, or they're sending me free items. I'm going to tell you guys the truth because at the end of the day, our relationship, me and yours, and you know, as YouTube reviewer, is precious to me. So I don't want to disrupt that trust or anything just to make $1. That'll never happen. So yeah. So yeah, let's look at this wig, okay? Because I mean, to be honest, I'm really kind of disappointed because I really thought that this was a frontal wig. I was under the impression that it was a frontal wig. I guess I should have did more research, but okay. So this is the wig fresh out the pack. This is a 16 inch, and I probably end up cutting this. Probably end up cutting it. So initially no shedding, but it does have these highlights in it, which I am excited about because I love a little highlight around the face. Yeah, still not getting any shedding, so that's good. So this is the construction of the wig. So it does not come with adjustable band. It does not come with the band on it. So that's one little thing. It comes with 3 combs. So one right here, and one at the nape. And then as you can see, the closure construction right here. You guys, I haven't had a closure in so freaking long. I don't know what to do. And this right here, you know, one thing that I do hate about these is because of this fake scalp, it doesn't look real. So I probably end up taking this off and just bleaching the knots and just, you know, whatever. But it already has the middle part and everything. I really hope it fits, but yeah, it's cute. I think this would be a cute bob, like a long collar bob wig, I guess. It'd be really cute. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I mean, I like it. I'm going to, in this video as well, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like finished and everything. I'm not gonna show me putting on the wig and everything, but I am gonna come back and give you guys my review once I get the wig on and everything, just so you can see how it actually looks on me, because I like to see what it looks like. Like, I hate watching a video and it's like, it's not there. That's not what I want. So I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. But I just wanted you guys to see it raw, fresh out the pack, everything and how it looks. And yeah, so when I come back, you can be like, who is that? Who is that? But yeah, all right, so I am back, guys, and I got on the wig. I didn't feel like putting on makeup because it is literally 10 o'clock at night, but this is the finished look. I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself in my viewfinder. I still haven't adjusted to me having a viewfinder, but yes, this is the hair. And honestly, I feel like if it was a little bit more fuller, if the wig was a little bit more fuller, I would like it better, but it's not that full at all. Like, this is not a wig that you can wear long term. This is a wig that's gonna last you probably a couple wears and you're done. So that's why it's really, really, really affordable. This one was like $106, $110 after tax or something like that. But honestly, you guys, yeah, so you know, it came with the little lace pocket. I told you I took that off. I did not bleach the knots. I just put some concealer on my hair, on the part, but I just plucked it, did some baby hairs and curled it a little bit, you know, where it looks a little better, and so you can see the blonde parts more. I'm not sure, you know, if it's giving what it's supposed to give, but this is the wig, guys. I feel like I need my lashes and everything done with this wig, but this is the wig, you guys. Yeah, I don't know how to feel. I mean, I think that, you know, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. The colors are gorgeous. I don't feel like the color is for me personally, like the black and the brown and the blonde. I feel like if this was more brown and then the blonde, it looks good on me, because I feel like blonde and honey brown is my color. Black is not. So that's just, you know, probably gonna take some getting used to, but I'm probably not gonna wear this wig as much as you know, I thought, because I really thought it was a frontal. I mean, kind of looks like a frontal, like you wouldn't know any different unless I did that. But yeah, cut the brightness down a little bit so you can see a little bit better. But I'm sorry I keep playing in the hair, because I just feel like I have to, for, you know, it to stay. But I didn't have a wand. I did some flat iron curls, and this is what I got. But yeah, this hair, like I said, is from Beauty Forever's hair. Beauty Forever, for your forever beauty. Right here, this is the wig. All the perks for this hair will be in the description box. You guys should go check it out. If you just need, like, if you're just going out of town, or you got an event coming up and you just need to throw on a cute cheap wig, you just need your hair done, I definitely recommend this for this. But if you want something long term, I would not recommend this. But like I said, if you just going out, you need something to throw on that's really cute, I definitely recommend this hair. But yes, like I said, no shedding or anything. The only thing about this hair that I wish that I would change is the density of this hair. Like, it's nothing. That's why I feel like I had to cut it into this bob, because I feel like it was, the density was just too small. And you know, not that great. But yeah, so if the density was a little bit better, if this hair was a little bit thicker, and the tracks didn't come off, because this is a T part. I didn't realize it was a T part. Probably should have. But you know, just like a T part, how the tracks go lay this way, I didn't realize that. But I mean, you can't tell. You cannot tell from right here, so that's fine. But the main thing about this hair is the density of this hair. That's the only thing I would change. But other than that, I love this hair. No shedding, everything. The color's great. And it's very smooth. Very, it has some great luster to it. Like, it's not, doesn't look dull or anything. So yeah, that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you, like I said, if you want to purchase this hair, if you need you some just going out hair, click the link in my description box and go purchase this hair from Amazon. It's super affordable, super cheap, and really good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of every single time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.